So I want to start off by doing a quick review on the iMax RC B3 compact charger, and the reason I want to do this quick video review today is because unfortunately for me, I ended up receiving a faulty charger in the mail today that I bought from eBay from a guy, and yeah, I'm very disappointed because I figure I got a good deal on them for $10 for two of them, free shipping. So let's just get started so that way I can show you really quick what to expect and how to work with this charger. Okay, so first of all, when you get the charger out of the box, it's just going to be the charger itself. You're going to have the power supply charge on cable and the instruction manual. And now, this is very basic stuff. Once you plug in the battery, like in my case, I'm using a 2-cell battery. All you're going to have to do is just after you plug it into the correct socket, which you're going to see right here. So I'm going to be using this one too as for the 2-cell, and then this is going to be for 3-cell batteries. Once you plug it in, pretty much you're going to see that the lights are supposed to start from red to green immediately. In my case, the second I plugged it in, I actually saw them all green. I didn't even see the red. You'll see like a little flicker, and I'll show you in just one second. After that, you're just gonna make sure that you pay attention to the actual like lights, because if you're using a 3-cell battery, then you're gonna have to look out for all 3 green lights. If you're using a 2-cell battery, like in my case, you're gonna see only 2 green lights, and then you're gonna see 1 red, regardless. So just pay attention to that. Otherwise, you're gonna be exposing the battery to too much charging, and it might damage it in the long run. So yeah, so this is gonna be one of the boxes for the one that I'm using right now, and then this is the faulty one that I have to send back. I sent the guy a message. So let's take a look really quick at the other one that I have charging right now. Okay, come on, let's go. So as you can see, this one right here, this one's charging pretty nicely. It has like a little flickering red to it. I don't know if you can see it pretty much on the camera, but I can see clearly that's a little tiny flickering of red. So I'm using this one right now to charge my 2-cell LiPo, and then after that I'm just planning on just hopefully going to the park, enjoying myself, going to see what I can do today with these babies, because unfortunately for me I ended up getting a lot of batteries, and so yeah, gotta make the best of it. So yeah, that's my quick video review. Keep in mind, like I said, it works for 2-cell batteries and also 3-cell batteries. B3 charger, you can get it pretty much on eBay, Amazon. It's pretty cheap. But yeah, I'll put it back real quick so you can see 3-cell and 2-cell. So I'll show you. All right, so hope this review is cool for you guys. Enjoy. Have a good day. Happy droning.